I am shocked and appalled at what I see here. I loan out my tools and they bring them back to me in this nasty, dirty bucket. What's wrong with people? If there was some type of number to call, like the Tool Protection Society, I'd be on it right now to tell them what they did to my fine quality, precious tools. Look, let me tell you something. I'm not going to just talk about this. I'm going to show you tools and how to transport them in the proper containers. Not like this. What's wrong with people? Now this is the way to transport tools. Check this out. This looks like it belongs at the airport, but you haven't seen this because this is new. Stanley has taken two different elements, plastic and metal, and created a hybrid rolling toolbox. And you thought cloning sheep was a big deal. Not compared to this. Look at this thing. It's got 4 bungee cords, 1, 2, and 2 more on this side. It holds saws or blueprints or levels or whatever you want to put in there. This thing is beautiful. It's got a big bin at the bottom, which holds your very big tools. It also has a smaller drawer in the middle for smaller tools. What about your nails and your screws and all the other stuff that you have to put together? Hey, stick it in here with the dividers. Nice. It's a modular unit, 3 separate pieces of equipment, all on this handy-duty rolling cart. Here's a groove here. What's that for? Well, you want to cut this dowel rod up? No problem. Stick it in there, slice it up. 2x4 pipe. You can do a lot with this. This is nice. Like I said, it's transportable. Take one of the units off, one of the modules, bring it somewhere where you want to use it. Hey, look what I got inside. My tools. Now I can go to another job, work over there, and there they are. All right, let me show you these tools. Now these are nice. Check out these channel lock pliers. What's so great about them? Well, they're not going to slip. Why? You see all these grooves? Every time you adjust them, the undercut tongue and groove system ensures that once you line it up to your material, like this piece of PVC, and clamp it down, you can work it without these pliers slipping. That's nice, huh? Great idea. Also, you have the channel lock screwdriver. What's so great about this? Well, not only do you have the flat head, you could pop it out, and now you got the Phillips head. What if you want to change out, say, other bits? Pop out the whole shaft. Surprise, check it out. You're like James Bond. Now you got a smaller Phillips head and another choice, another flathead. Pretty nice. How about these wire strippers? Simple enough. Find your diameter of wire, line it up, and boom, there it is. Easy. We have the cutter. What's that used for? Well, like this. This is dangerous, right? Got some nails sticking out, line up your cutter, and boom, it is gone. These are great tools. How about this one? The oil filter wrench. You're working on a car, you're working on something that has to change a filter. This is the tool for it. And finally, this is my favorite, the monster channel lock pliers. You're working on big equipment, maybe some farm implements. Pull this out. Plus, this is cool. You're a hit with the kids. They're bored. You got the puppet show. Check it out. It's the Tyrannosaurus Rex, kids. Rah, rah, rah. Now here's a way to transport tools while you're working on a ladder. It's called the ladder sack, and you can see it holds all the tools in this pouch, which is great. Because if you didn't have the ladder sack, and I've done this before, you know, I'm working on the ladder, I stick my hammer up here, forget about it, go to move the ladder, and the thing comes down at you, and guess what? Hits you in the head. Now you're in a sack going to the hospital. That's not what you want. This is great. All you gotta do is fold up the ladder, cinch up the 2 Velcro sides together, and you're off. You can transport your tools and your ladder safely. Not only can you transport your tools, you can transport part of your workshop out into the field using these adjustable sawhorses by Zag. You see they adjust from 30 inches all the way up to 37 inches high, very simply. Just by pulling straight up, to lock it in place, kick it out, and once you lock it down, believe me, these things are very sturdy. Is it wide enough? Maybe not. All you have to do is extend it out. Boom. Now it'll hold up to 47 inches, which is about standard for most building materials. Fold it back up, pop it back in, and now you're ready to transport this sawhorse anywhere.